What do you think? Should we take this bad boy out of the box and do a Galaxy Z Flip 4 unboxing? I guess yes. Hey peeps, what's up? Manji here, back with another video, and we have a beast in the house. This here is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. The color which we have here is blue. As you can see over here, the Z Flip 4 text is in blue. Do note this is not the Bora purple, this is the blue one, and of course the box here is dual tone, as you can see on your screen right now. So without any further delay, let us take this out of the box. Are you ready? Whoa. Oh, something fell out. Oops. Here it is. Manuals and stuff, I assume. Let us check out this thing first so we can be done with it. Here it is. Type C to Type C cable. Quick start manual. And somewhere in here should be a SIM ejector tool as well. Nope. You don't want to give it to me. Oops. Yep. Here it is. SIM ejector tool. I think all of these things are unnecessary right now because we are trying to save the planet by not including a box in the charger. So why include all those things? But here it is. Look at this beauty over here, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in blue. Let us now remove the packaging from the phone. Alright, I think that's it for the unboxing, right? That is what everybody tries to show off, the sound of peeling plastic from a brand new phone. And should I go ahead and smell it while I'm at it? A brand new device? Let me do that, let me do that. If you smell what a brand new phone smells like. Anyways, so let us try out the flip mechanism. Whoa. Mm-hmm. That feels nice. That does feel pretty nice. Then on this side, of course, here it is. This is the chrome frame and it is in a light blue shade to go with this color on the back. The finish here, of course, is matte finish and of course black camera arrangement over here with the LED flash on here. And let us see if we see any fingerprints. Nope, no fingerprints at all. So the matte effect is looking pretty dope. You do have some antenna band lines, your SIM card tray, and at the bottom you have your type C, then you have your speaker grill, you have two microphones on the bottom. On this side, of course, you have more antenna bands, your power button and your fingerprint scanner along with the volume rockers. Again, this whole frame is in a light blue shade to match this blue color. On the top you have your noise cancelling mic and some more antenna bands. Let us look at the camera bump. So yes, there is a little bit of camera bump, but not big enough, but yes, it is there. And here it is, foldable phone Galaxy Z Flip 4 in the building. Looks pretty dope, pretty dope. Let me go ahead and skip the initial setup, but let us have a look at the folding mechanism one more time. You do have some Samsung branding over here on the Flip Z4, or sorry, Galaxy Z Flip 4. I mean, I guess I'm just too excited about my first foldable device. Some Samsung text, and this hinge is also in a light blue shade, goes pretty nice with the blue color which we have. And again, this is my first foldable device, but it does feel pretty good. Now the other thing we can do is look at the front. So of course you do have your camera cut out over here, a punch hole camera. A screen protector is already installed on this screen, and to prevent the screen protector from lifting off near the hinge, they do have some protection over here as well. Then you have some ridges over here on the edges. There it is. Let me see if I can focus on that. Let me try it one more time to get you a better look. Um, yep, There it is. So this here is a bit of a ridge which is raised up. So when you close your phone like this is not rubbing against, like the screen is not rubbing against itself. And this here, as you can see, is your speaker or the earphone piece from wherein you can talk to other people. Let me fold it one more time because yes, it does feel pretty good. And that sound which it makes, awesome. Let's try to open this bad boy. Yep, yep. The fun of a foldable phone is back, I think. Now let me skip the initial setup and then I'll be right back. Alright, so here it is. I skipped the initial setup and we are running One UI 4.1.1 out of the box. Android version of course is 12. The Google Play System update is from May. The security patch is from July 2022. Let us check out the fingerprint scanner. Here it is, super fast. But something which I have noticed is like if you're real quick, there it is, you see. If I'm real quick, sometimes it does not lock the screen and sometimes it does not unlock the device. So that might be a software issue which they might have to fix pretty soon because there it is one more time. If I am as quick as a ninja, then the device does not lock or unlock right away. Other than that, I do have it set up at 120 Hertz and that part is pretty smooth. Now moving over to the $1,000,000 question, do you see the crease? The answer is depends. If the light is falling on the phone at a specific angle, then of course you will see the crease. But something interesting which I noted was that out of the box, if you go into the wallpaper option and you go into my wallpapers, you will notice that all the wallpapers over here are dark, like with a black background. So I think that is intentional so that you do not notice the crease. But yes, the crease is still there, and when you move your finger on the screen above the crease, you are going to feel the crease. Is it going to be an issue if you are watching content? I don't think so, because if you're watching your content like this, I don't see the crease from any angle. But of course, if like light is falling on it at a specific angle, like something like this, then of course you will see the crease. So there it is, peeps, just a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in blue, and of course stay tuned for more content. And that will do it for this one. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.